Welcome back to a day in the life. Today we have an office day. This video is sponsored by OnePlus, but more about that later. Here are some pictures I took with it. Here's a few more. It's nice to be around the office and actually film in the office. It's quite empty today, so I basically had the whole floor for myself. I usually start the day with checking what I need to get done today. So, about the OnePlus 13R. It's their latest model. It has a 6000 mAh battery, 3 cameras, and it's actually very good. I used to have a lot smaller phone, so it's taken some time to adjust for a bigger phone, but I'm definitely enjoying it, and the battery life is amazing in this thing. Just wait until the end of the day to see how much battery I had left. The setup process for the phone was very easy, transferring from my previous phone all the data, files, contacts, everything, super easy. Still 94% at 11. Here's a lot more pictures with the OnePlus. The phone is very good. I like the user interface of OnePlus actually quite a lot. I haven't used the OnePlus in a while, so yeah, getting used to the user interface is actually very nice. Yeah, let's not talk about that. 80% at 4 PM is insanely good. Here's a bit about the video quality. Time to head off to play indoor beach volleyball with my colleagues. So nice. Thank you for OnePlus for sponsoring this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care and peace. Still, we are at 65% at the end of the day. That's insane numbers. I only used 35% of the phone's battery.